We are Induction Professionals. Company Overview. Induction Professionals, LLC was founded in July 2002. Our mission has always been to deliver high-quality induction heating and melting equipment to the metal processing industries throughout North America and the EU. Based in Youngstown, Ohio, Induction Professionals designs and builds new induction heating and melting equipment and provides repair services for customers' existing equipment. In 2007, due to growth, we centralized our operations within a new 9,500 square foot facility located near major transportation arteries for shipping efficiency. The building was configured specifically to service induction heating and melting equipment. In addition to repairing and supplying equipment, we offer a broad range of design services and application-specific consulting and engineering services. We continuously focus these capabilities to provide the best product at the best price in a timely manner to offer increased value and service to our customers. Our backgrounds allow us to offer problem-solving capabilities unique and rare to the induction industry. Our sales and engineering staff have well over 100 years of combined experience. Our production staff is skilled, innovative, and experienced. We care about our customers. Let us be your induction heating and melting problem solver, equipment supplier, and repair facility. We offer the complete rebuilding and refractory replacement of channel-style steel strip coating line inductors. We can supply moisture-free, pre-fired cast refractory shapes for zinc aluminum alloys, as well as cast-in-place linings for zinc applications. If requested, we provide controlled demolition of failed refractory to mutually determine if any changes can or should be made to potentially impede the formation of clogging deposits. We supply lamination replacement of channel furnace core sections if needed when we inspect the laminations and they are either significantly rusted or damaged. If laminations are significantly rusted, the rusting will fuse the laminations together, effectively shorting them. This lamination shorting will cause insulation overheating, premature insulation failure, and excessive noise and vibration, predominantly on furnace high melt power. However, lamination replacement is often not required. If the insulation has deteriorated, allowing current loops to form, we will simply perform an insulation replacement. Another commonly needed channel furnace service is the repair or fabrication of new water-cooled and air-cooled copper bushings. We offer increased water path sizing to maximize the coolant flow on new water-cooled bushings. We also refurbish many inductor cases as shown here. This unit was rebuilt after a major runout. In addition, we have the capability of reverse engineering and supplying complete new inductor cases if required. Who we are. Thomas Carney, owner and general manager. Tom Carney has over 4 decades of experience within the induction industry. He began his career in 1974 at an entry-level position and progressed to sales manager for a division of an induction OEM. In 2002, Tom founded Induction Professionals, LLC, with the purpose of delivering high-quality induction heating and melting equipment to the metals processing industry throughout North America and the EU. Tom holds a Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Management from Hiram College. He graduated summa cum laude, Phi Beta Kappa. Michael D. Paul, Sales Manager. After graduating with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Business Administration from Washington and Jefferson College in 1998, Mike started immediately in an entry-level position as an induction coil mechanic. After 2 years, Mike was promoted to a regional sales management position with an induction OEM. He was responsible for covering the northeastern United States and later transferred to the Midwest. Mike joined Induction Professionals LLC in the sales management role in June 2011. Please contact Tom Carney or Mike Paul if you have any question about our products and services. We would also like to discuss any inherent issues that have never seemed to be resolved with your induction equipment. We pride ourselves on offering innovative solutions and problem solving based on common sense. We are here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching our video. Please contact us at your convenience. We are Induction Professionals.